everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Stephanie. I am known as the Opinionated Horsewoman. I welcome you to my YouTube channel. So today is Mask Monday Ladies. It's a collaboration of many YouTubers, mostly women. There might be a few men in here. And if you click on the hashtag Mask Monday Ladies, it will take you to a playlist of sorts that YouTube has put together for all of us who have hashtagged our Mask Monday Ladies videos. And videos go back probably at least a year or more. So plenty of opportunity to watch and learn about all sorts of YouTubers and all sorts of masks. So today, you guys, I went back and forth on what I was going to use tonight and it is Sunday night. I always film my Mask Monday Ladies on Sunday evening. Gives me time to edit and upload. Unfortunately, I do live out in the middle of nowhere and have kind of horrid internet. So I went back and forth. I wanted to use my laser, and then I was like, nah, that might take too long. It'd be too distracting. So then I thought, and let me know, you guys, if you want to see me use my laser again, I will certainly do that. But what I decided to do is I had gotten these two masks from Stacie N, Noki, from a little friend mail. I thought I would go ahead and use them. So this is a Florence by Mills Swimming Under the Eyes Gel Pad. Let me see, you guys, it is white text on the lavender color, so let me try to read it real quick. Let's see. Put a whale under each eye on clean, dry skin with the tails facing in or out. You choose your adventure. Please leave them on for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so these must be whale. I don't know if you can see on the little face there. There's a little whale. So those will be really cute. So we'll start with those. And then I have a sheet mask she sent me that was from Face Tori. So, all right, here's the little whale, guys. They're very cute. So I think I am going to put this little whale dude facing inward. Isn't he cute? He's a little whale. And I got his little twin friend here. Using my mirror. Ooh, and their eyeballs are dropping all over their little eye holes, but that's very nice. So they feel really good. I have this Face Tori mask that Stacie sent me. It's Everyday Acai. It's a rejuvenating mask. Says no harsh chemicals. And this one is another 10 to 15 minute mask. So let's get this one going right away. See if that'll hold on my little whale guys. So again, from Face Tori. Thank you, Miss Stacie. I very much appreciate the masks. All right. It's gooey. I have my silicone mask that I got from Amazon to hold this in place. Ooh, it's nice and gooey. Just trying to unravel it. Ooh. It's cold. All right, y'all. Here we go. I like to look up. Keeps things positioned. Ooh, it feels really nice. Has a very mild scent to it. I like it. I'm assuming that's the acai. Am I getting it, y'all? Ooh, it's so gooey. I'll just put that down my neck. All right, got my little silicone mask. It's almost more difficult putting this on than anything else, but it holds that mask really nicely. So I got serum all over my hands. I'm gonna kind of try to pull my little ears down to hold my mask, maybe without pulling the hair into the mask. All right, my lopsided ears, y'all. All right, so we have the Face Tori Everyday Acai, and then we have this Florence by Mills, which are the little whale guys underneath here, these little lavender colored. So you guys, I thought while my mask was marinating on my skin, I got a couple things in the mail. I thought we'd try to unbox a couple things. First one that I'm really excited for is Scentbox. This has become a favorite monthly subscription. So it is basically, you go on and you choose every month what fragrance you want to test, and they send them once a month in this cute little foil bag. And here's my scent box for the month, and the card that tells us more information about what the scents of the month are. All right, and then I believe this is probably packing slip. So the nice thing about this is if you find a scent and you get sent this scent, wow, that's a lot of scents. But if you get sent a perfume that you do not like at all, you may send that back and exchange it once per month. You can do one exchange. So they send you a little bit of information on here. It says, hate this month's choice. We now offer free exchanges. Go to your account, manage exchanges to get something else, which is really nice. So it comes in this little box. And then we also have these scent of the month, and they have a men's and a women's scent of the month. So the women's scent of the month is Hanai Mori. And it says, Hanai opens with the sparkling notes of Sicilian bergamot and orange blossom. The heart includes sweet wild strawberries combined with jasmine, resting on soft, warm tones of sandalwood and vanilla. So that is the women's scent of the month. So for the men, their scent of the month is I Am King, Sean John. It says, defined by unique masculine freshness, sparkling fruits, and sensual woods. I Am King cologne creates a new standard, a new signature for modern the man. Well, that's weird. Modern the man. I think they meant to say the modern man, but they called it modern the man. So there's cranberry, cassis, water notes, and cedar. So there's that. So that's the men's scent of the month. All right, let's get into my scent that I picked. Let's see what it says on here what I picked. So I went in and I picked a couple of months worth. You kind of load them up in your account and then they ship. So I got Women's Lady Million by Paco Rabanne Eau de Parfum Spray. And this is what it looks like. So it's the second one that looks like this. I will show you really quick my previous 2 months. This is my third month getting Scentbox, but these are my previous 2 months. All right, so again, it does say on the bottom, Lady Million. This is by Pablo Rabanne. I can't wait to smell this, y'all. I don't know if I'm going to be able to smell it with a mask on. Ooh, I like that. Ooh. Ooh, oh wow, okay. Now you're not supposed to rub, so I just transferring a little bit onto my other arm. Oh, I like that a lot. Okay, that smells really good. So that is my third month, is this Lady Million by Pablo Rabanne. Now the other 2 months I have gotten have been Gucci's Guilty and then Bella Essence. So y'all, I have not yet gotten a scent that I haven't really enjoyed. So I am kind of particular, and I do follow some of the notes that I know I like a lot on Scentbox. But I think as I will probably get a little more adventurous and try a few, because they do offer the free exchanges, which I think is amazing. So I've got my first 3 months of Scentbox. You guys, they have 2 levels of subscriptions that you can do, and I'll put that down below. But if you want, you can do a double subscription, or you get 2 cents per month. So I haven't done that yet. This is, my little whales are creeping up into my eyes. I haven't tried that yet, but it definitely has been kind of an idea. You know, if you're a perfume hoarder, it's not a bad idea. You can get 2 cents per month. So I do have some of my perfumes up here, and I have some on my desk, and I'm kind of moving them away from this part of the wall onto the shelf for a little while, just to kind of change things up. But yep, I really, really, really like this subscription, and I thank my friend Alexis from Haute Modesty for basically, I've been watching several of her unboxings, and she convinced me in her videos to try. I used her code, and I believe I think she might have got a free month from me subscribing. So, you know, I will link my code down below, you guys, or my link. And every month it's a little different what they offer. If you subscribe, you might get like a really deeply discounted month, or you might get the first or the second month free. When I subscribed, I had to pay for my first month, and then I got my second month free. That was the deal. They change it up all the time, so you just have to go on the website and look. So the next item I would like to do is, here we go, Walmart Beauty Box. You guys, have had this for a couple days and just have not had an opportunity to unbox it. So I'm somewhat new to this, so I was very thrilled to get this again. Curious to see what we got for this month. So it does come nicely, you guys, shrink wrapped, which is really cool. And you can hear all the stuff rattling around in the box. And I know not everybody gets the exact same stuff, so I'll be curious to see. Ooh, I know a couple ladies who are going to be very jealous. All right, I'm trying to look for the card, and it's on the bottom. Ooh, all right, here we go. Walmart Beauty. So it's fall, y'all. It says it does have the spoilers of what is supposed to be in my box. So I'm really excited to see that. It looks like we got a scent. This is face and body drops. Oh, these are self-tanning drops. So it is Tanologist, your glow, your shade, your way, designed to be mixed with your skincare, makeup, or body care. Tanologist self-tan drops are easy to apply and 100% customizable. The more drops you add, the darker your tan. Getting bronzing has never been easier. So apparently you do mix this with skincare. So it says no blocked pores, no drying effect on the skin, no tan transfer onto sheets or clothing. It's clean, vegan, and cruelty-free, according to this. So these are medium drops. It says our skin-saving trio of pink grapefruit, goji berry, and juniper work to brighten and soften and hydrate. Well, that's interesting. I've done everything I can this last summer to avoid the sun, so... All right. Okay, so let's see. What does it say in here about that? Anything? It does not. All right, so that was not in the card at all. So that's interesting. All right, the next item we have is a sponge, a beauty sponge from Real Techniques Sponge Plus Miracle Complexion Sponge. And it says the full size, which is this, is $4.88 at Walmart for one of these. Again, this is full size. It says evenly blends your foundation, blurring fine lines and imperfections for a radiant streak-free finish. Sponges will vary. So the one they show in here is blue. This one says it's a complexion sponge, blend and glow. It says flawlessly blends for a streak-free, natural, fresh glow. Very cool. Orange. I like orange. All right, the next items. What are these? Oh, it's a hair clip. So these are the Invisibobble Waver hair piece or hair clips. It looks like there's 3 in here. So it is a full-size product. It is MSRP on the $6 for these 3 pieces. So that's kind of neat. Let's see if we can get it out without making a mess. These little plastic things are a little annoying, but all right. So this is what they look like. So they're just little hair clips. Very nice. So $6 for 3 of these. So $2 per hair clip. Not sure I would buy that even at Walmart for $6. I'm not sure I'd spend $6 on 3 hair clips, but you know, hair clips aren't totally cheap. Definitely nice to try those. All right, I feel like I'm missing an item, but whatever. Okay, so now we have the Burt's Bees Sensitive Facial Cleanser. This is 1 ounce. The full size is 6 ounces for $8.38. So it says infused with soothing cotton extract. This creamy, soap-free formula hydrates the skin while gently cleansing away dirt, oil, and makeup without causing redness or irritation. Very nice. So again, a full size would be 6 ounces or 6 times the size of this, and it would be $8.34. So really, really nice. I will put that in my shower and use that. All right, one more item. So I appear to be missing an item. So it must have had a substitution. So you guys, these are nowhere. They're not on my card at all, you guys. Like, they're not on here at all. So these are the Dashing Divas Gloss Ultra Shine Gel Manicure. They last up to 14 days. They're very pretty, you guys. 20 gel nail strips. And aren't they pretty color? I know Dashing Divas has been a popular brand with a number of YouTube ladies. You guys, I cannot do these. With as much work as I do on the farm, these would not last like 5 seconds. So I do my own nails, but they're so pretty. It's a shame. I mean, I wish I could, you guys, but my lifestyle just doesn't allow for it. So they're very nice though. So what it says that I should have gotten, and this is not on there, so it's just a variation. So I am missing from the card the Dove Exfoliating Body Polish. Did not get that. And I did not get, but I feel like I got one of these last month. There's like this liquid IV. It's like a little packet. I do feel like I got that last month. So I can't even read what it's supposed to be. It just says liquid IV packet. So yeah. So again, sometimes you don't get everything they say. You get substitutions, which is not the end of the world. But not bad, guys. So, I mean, this box is very inexpensive. It's less than $10. So I got the Dashing Divas nails. And I don't have the MSRP on these. But, you know, I'm sure that's around... It's got to be around $5 to $10 to $15. I don't think they're more than 10, but I could be wrong. The Burt's Bees sample is very nice. I've always been a fan of Burt's Bees. These are cute, these Invisibobbles. This is full size, and you would be spending $6 on these at Walmart. And then this is a beauty blender. Is very nice. Another full-size beauty blender. And you know, you never can have enough of these because you do need to remember to throw them away when they get gross, right? I struggle with that, but now that I have a bunch of them. And then this was not on the card, y'all. This is these Tanologist face and body drops. You're supposed to mix in with your skincare to give yourself a tan. I don't think I'll be using that, but that's all right. So let me know, you guys, what did you think of Walmart's beauty box? Do you get this? And if so, what did you get? Because clearly I got a different variation than what was on the card, and I'm not sad about it. I mean, I'm not going to use the nail things, but I think they're really super cool. I think they're very pretty. I have a friend that I can give these to. I think will really enjoy those. So, you know, I enjoy this box a lot. You know, no complaints so far. I haven't been getting it very long, but all right, you guys, I think this has been pretty much enough time to go ahead and take this mask off. Again, so the big sheet mask was from Face Tori. This is Everyday Acai. And it says, cleanse your face, apply the mask, leave it on 10 to 15 minutes. Let your skin soak in all the nutrients, remove the mask, and pat in the remaining essences. So you don't need to rinse this one. They don't recommend rinsing it. So I think before I take it off, I'll see if I can get any of the excess serum. And there's not a lot in here, but there's some excess serum. Ooh, yeah, okay. go ahead and slather it on the neck. You guys know the neck ages just like your face does, and I am noticing it a lot in my late 40s here, which is so sad, but not much we can do about it. And I was outside all weekend this weekend, you guys. My mother turned 80 this weekend. So there was a lot going on with that. And we are going into, obviously, it's fall now, kind of trying to get stuff around the farm. And I bought a whole bunch of flower bulbs to plant. And I mean, I'm talking like I probably bought like 180 bulbs, maybe 200. And I've gotten probably about, I would think, 120 to 130 of them planted so far. So I still have a lot more to go. Like I still have a lot more to go, but trying to get that done before, I'm just concerned. It was beautiful this weekend. We had beautiful weather, and I'm just concerned Mother Nature is going to just shut that beautiful warm weather off, and we're going to go into like snow or just cold rain. So I'm trying to get as much done as I can before we have a, you know, a complete change of weather. So yeah. All right, let's take this off. First start off with my silicone mask. Ooh, a lot of the juice from that is on here, or the serum. Wow, I really like this, you guys. I think I might, it's still quite wet underneath. I think I'm going to go ahead and put you guys on pause, let this stay on a little bit longer, and then I will come back. I'll take it off and come back and let you know what I thought of this. Plus, now you can see I have these under eye masks, these little whales. They're just the little purple gels. They're little whales. Florence by Mills. They're swimming under the eyes at Gel Patch. So I'm going to put you guys on hold. I will come back after this kind of soaks in a little bit longer, and I'll let you know what I think of it. All right? Hang tight. All right, everybody, I am back. So very nice mask. Had a mild scent to it, nothing terribly strong, but definitely if you're looking for something totally unscented, this one has a scent. And I am just looking to see, there are ceramides in here, which is really nice, but there's natural fruit oils and things in here. I see that there's lemon fruit extract, or lemon fruit oil, sorry. There's orange oil, there's bergamot fruit oil. So sodium hyaluronate, which is hyaluronic acid. Really nice ingredients in here. But you know what? I mean, the Face Tour, you guys, is a really, really good quality brand. Produces a lot of really nice masks. So definitely a very nice one. It is say it is plant-based. So definitely like this. Thank you, Stacie. I really loved it, you guys. I would recommend that. And these are really nice too. I had those under my eyes. No complaints on these either. So thanks, guys, so much for tuning in to Mask Monday. Make sure you check out others if you would be interested, others in the channel, by clicking on that hashtag Mask Monday Ladies. Just a thank you to everybody, all my subscribers, you guys. I did hit 2,000 recently, and I am working on my 2,000 subscriber giveaway. I've been really busy, like I mentioned, but I've been kind of working through the ideas that I have for it in my head, and I will definitely be announcing that very soon. So you'll want to be sure to be subscribed. You'll want to make sure you have the notifications turned on, because you'll want to enter this one. I'm really excited to be able to offer what I am putting together. So coming soon. But I do have a number of things coming up, unboxings. I did get some more friend mail over the weekend I want to share with you guys. You know, and a few other things. So looking forward to the week. I hope you guys are having a very nice start to your week. And before we go, I'd like to always remind you guys, if you are feeling dark and anxious, depressed, unhappy, and there's a darkness descending upon you, and you are considering doing something that we would all very much regret, I do ask you to please, before you do anything, please talk to somebody. Give them a chance to help you, okay? Just remember, you are very unique and very special, and you are loved by many people in your life. Don't ever forget that. You are the only one of you on this planet, all right? And you have a lot of people surrounding you that love you. And don't ever forget that, okay? So please, let them help you. You know, let them find you help. And if you don't want to talk to somebody you know, you can talk to these people up here. They will help you find the help that you need, all right? But please remember, you are special, you are unique, you are loved by many, and you would be very much missed. So please, please, I ask you, before you do anything, please talk to someone, all right? Okay, everybody, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you're having a good Monday. I will see you on my next video. Bye, everybody.